This is Kiran Kumar, CSC lab programmer. Today I am discussing on the simple calculator using applet programming. What are the common mistakes in the particular program? First of all, I am going to my code. Sorry. This is my code, my calculator.java. So just wait. This is my code. My calculator.java. This is my code. So here I am writing the applet code in the top of the program before class statement. So it is using by the single line statement. So in this program you are utilizing so many codes, so much of code data, but here different class names are using. So here the one of the common mistake is here you are introducing to the Java X dot Swing. It is actually it is a new type of packaging. So extended packaging. X means extended packaging. So you can advanced classes are designing in that particular package. The Swing is a advanced graphical user interfaces packages are using. So in this package, so many classes are there, but don't know about the what the class you are utilizing, what the methods you are utilizing. Don't know about that in that particular programming. So don't bother about it that, but simply know about the package and the class name. So which methods you are utilizing. So you know about the by using the Java profiler, by using it is a list of your methods by the skeleton of your API document. You can use that. So don't bother about it which class are you utilizing. So what the syntax of your class or the syntax of your methods in your class. So don't bother about it. But I am checking by the some of the example the JButton class. So I'm checking with the which class. So Java P profiler is there. So Java X is my package name. Sorry, dot swing 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 dot JButton JButton class. So then enter. You will give the skeleton of your class. So what is the which method you are utilizing the skeleton? So JButton class has an three constructs are there, which is the icon, string, action. So some of the cases your icon like the image something. So these classes are the which class you are choose, but don't know about the class information by the skeleton of your class by using the uh, Java P profiler. So it is a very useful tool for your know about the class knowledge. So again, the common mistake in the sometimes you are not enter the X. So it is a common mistake. Some of the people Java dot you are doing practicing the previous programs by using the Java dot lang, Java dot util, Java dot IO that is you are utilizing, but you are forgetting the X by extension with the packages. So these packages only the extended package. So the another one is the Java X dots SQL. So also it is connecting the database also, but here the graphical is only swing package can extend it only. So right. So what happened in that particular program? So I can save it, compile it. So once again, Java C, my calculator.java. So here some of the mistakes are there. So because J button is not found, because your import is the first statement. So the swing does not exist. Java.swing does not exist. It is the most common error for the swing packages you are utilizing. So can give by the X. X means extended. So please save it and compile it. So it is successfully compiled. So swing packages, some of the ladder classes you are utilizing the main method. The applet is not necessary. So applet viewer is not necessary. But in this code you are executing by the applet viewer. So that's why the reason it has no main method. So you can use the applet. Sorry. So this is the execution code. It is the simple calculator. This is the simple calculator. This is the simple calculator. This is where your output. So right, you can use. So it is a layout of your calculator only. So this is common. Please point the mistake by the writing of import statements. So the more practice and a good programming. Thank you.